Akyem Oda MC Honorable Solomon Kusi wabechere nsemu die nti a ni case with MP for Akyem Oda Honorable Alexander Akwa no one fan court na mom no ode koma nana no okọ bruni nua no waba bechirim azemo waba bechirim benudwam amoate ase no akere wadwen e de amame e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mesro say ni di mu obe like video no da ma bro subscribe button and be click verification icon of latest update na be kere wadwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a na wa share post onye bi ahwe na me kan phone nala money sana pe de amount o USA o UK open service ka edbe fie Ghana and say any other Africa country bi aso a Trinala app no eto phone to Play Store and App Store na twi app no na register with your UK and your USA number. Let's send this car to their mobile money numbers to their respective country, whether Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, any other Africa country, send this car to their mobile money account. Ever call very fast transaction. From promo code Penyah TV send this car, no better 20 amazing dollars. Or send the na do fee, nangala force no amount $20. Now let's go to the story. Bebe Kachira will say, Oko Akyem Oda, Galamsey activity be air cost or honomo. I just say, Obo member of Parliament, Honorable Alexander Akwa, ebe chire nsemu last year 2025 nimu, and hono chire mu say, Omo onon waye MP for honomo for many years. Na Galamsey bia enkoso ewo ho. Obetumi din say sin what can the pain? Esna Galamsey bia enkoso Akyem Oda eye Eastern region. Na Galamsey bia enkoso honomo until say NDC aban ever back to power 2024. Na yede Honorable Solomon Kusi yede be MC ewo Akyem Oda Eastern region honomo no. Ehwa na Galamsey start ye unit ewo Akyem Oda honomo.
Adope course abame so ne nya de keto a kire say. Wonim say Galamsey ntokwadie but fato me ho so. Sometimes I have accusations from people from everywhere. Chairman, me maka na me susudua de bia say ya wa bemu. At least in the 4 years of my MPship, there was no Galamsey.
No, for 2 minutes, there was
no Galamsey in Akyem Oda. They be make bia ni be di echini.
So say
there was no mining in Akyem Oda.
There was no mining in Akyem Oda.
Oh, no.
Yes, Sampa.
Oh, no.
I have Sampa. There was no mining in Akyem Oda. I am the member of Parliament for Akyem Oda.
Oh, that's a region in
Akyem Oda.
Me regional secretary, regional chairman for
me back na say what here for the bia.
Akyem Oda I fa na omo too good.
It mean can say
at what point now honorable who say afi mining eba Akyem Oda.
Prekope.
Efie be say ni.
Prekope won de eba o fie be busu mi ya fi ye mu. Ye man no be ye.
This is last year nyina na omuntu.
De man ye ni kwa ko ho no say ba ku bia e koso wo kwan ho pe. Kwan chepe a o ko da school a udnam kwan ho uhu. Ena emrantie wo krom ho ne ahoho bia begu krom ho a anopa bia no mukura de editu omfa say jigo se de inside adua bia mabo no anopa bia no omnam sa de no e de kusku e de nante monte so de se ne nkwala ekwa school bag e de ko school na che se e adwuma aba bebo abetena ankrofo ye na we ya ekoso no se aba se ye MCE no echi Galamsey na waji sika no wagya no chairman wo ha adie we no be frɛ me I'm calling on the president any security agency say omo investigate because me last 2 weeks me who say MCA no TV so kasa wachi excavators bi no money ade e ma me call da ekoye miami investigation. The police told me say omo who say excavator biaba be see police station ho a night before. The next morning no na in ho and there are no records of those that excavator.
And a police for who say the excavator abesi
ho
abesi station ho and will be an cash and chom no muso mbisa will be
about the head of the security in
the commander for command them and Obama Kenya
and make sure so we have to investigate it.
No Emma bega kwa nka host no omo ne na person omo ne dwidwi but honorable no cases dua say omo betimi akoye ground check Emma no post video kra no me won say comment section bi kan ho no pain say ai ono watena Akyem Oda honomo from 2012-13 out to 2023 na galamsey bia ni ho obi kan comment section na say the assembly honorable Ekan obi da beto so honorable de eta to say galamsey na koso honorable de MC we ne ba ye no ono na aboa ma galamsey koso wo honorable because boys na start eba ekuro no mu eba first no ebetu galamsey MC ne kwa inzo so betu ase no kwa no akwa start sika wakwa je ne share ni chobo no obetina fi okwa galamsey site no akwa je ni chobo said the video ba na man bi akwa galamsey site okwa pe de share aje no
hey mani jane we
Nyamayo.
oba ti say na me support djuma no mempe sa celebrity bi that kind o say mempe komsi na mu bedi asase na mu hu asase wura what your interest say na man what mamska asase no ejade asase bia woni wura na mu ba ya mu di asase no mamska
yeah, the Ghana they just serious. Or kwa kwa jine share. Ama because of that no. Ensu ahodo ewo Akyem Oda honom no. Ensu do na na SSA.
Steflicia. Ekusuno a ubisa na ase no. Ene da gota num na aya teche no. Dia so ye mobo ekusuno. Ena aya teche saa na aye tene kono. Enkrofo ehye soro ho ye good. Ohin bi no so no onye adwuma wansu adwuma wanko school bia. O de excavator senetifi ho ye good wa. Enti eni o ene o mo hugrum ti ekusu no a ubisa na ase no. Ekusu no na aye ateche no a. Eda ensusu enum ntimi wie nam de asen ni wo Germany ho. Enti no ekusu ne de emweni nasubiem ena aye say you ye mo bo ja so ha ye mo bo papa ye mo bo papa ye mo bo ohimu a woti kuromu a ona bibi koso a obe je yen no onu ni momu na wase nsuo no oti atifi ho ye adwuma denden nti omo ye wo shinyina edensuo yim na etene ko neti Steflicia ensuo we ye betimi ahweje oma hama nso ntimi hwe ye so etimi video nam dia be kire German president say Joma hama ba besia bo ne ho a o ma no Steflicia ekusu na eni wai me da ase
Ama ensu na siam akwaka Brim River River asai ema MP kire se bese tu galamsey asia yemfa sobo no emo MC na oho no mo no honorable Solomon Kusin ono na yemblem because ono na eboa ema galamsey na ebindi Akyem Oda ho no mo no ono na pain so be MC ana akofa galamsey dia ba ho no nti pese blame obi for galamsey na koso Akyem Oda na dia ene yemfa sobo no enso the MC no ana so mabusua omukọ ne back and forth sa but enu achi no ana MC nsi da bi ensemu a honorable ekekande honorable edi egu na ni mu ase enti ono so ebe bro MP ni bia
Jadi ampon, ya chewa sana ya mawa sana. Asasi ya abinsa. Bimu abina wonse. Disu afia wonse. Bongole wonse. Esu awo kutukube mu nyina mo mo. Ana no mo medinsa wo. Abranke tia abinsa. Ana ya kusuru sene
jampa
na no pay mo ba kusibra ku na yedi kan no the frame koso yi enen kan koma kuma ene o ma di se na no pay mi na ha no ma na eye ni bule so esa na se America kre ni o ma mpeni de bo mi na na mo Gremu Central nipa bi akọ ọmụ abọ mu ti mu pote ọmụ be kan nsema enyi ko na ọmụ bi titi oni mra so be je ya o na ọmụ Akyem Oda o wi akosi akwa ne nsɛm a wɔka ne sɛ ɛyɛ me ne kusi bra kwa me gyina ha yi me boa ɛma galamsey ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Bremu Central ɛne Akyem Oda MP ma no sɛ nananom sɛ owu Alexander Kwesi Akwa ne nsɛm a wɔka no sɛ ɛyɛ no korɛ sɛ me kusi bra kon me boa ma galamsey kɔ so me yɛ galamsey me gye galamsey fo ɛhyɛ me botom ɛnam so ɛma nsuo a ɛwɔ kurom ha ɛsɛe ɛma ebi ka adehyia nananom mu ne bi na mmom no nsɛm a wɔka no sɛ yɛbɔ sirimuka sɛ yɛbɔ apayɔ ɛna wayɛ no adwene so obɛgu m'anim ase na ama me ho abatan ɛwɔ ɔmampani anim ama m'adwuma hwere me ama yɛdi a mepɛ sɛ ɛba kurom ha sɛ abɔ kurom ano nyinaa deɛ a nananom mu ne bi
Tioti.
Ana no na me ba hanum se na no pe a na enye dua na me be bo na emom no korɛ na me pese e dedi na endra emi se kasafidie su no ɛyɛ mmarahyɛ badwani a ɔnam ɔwɔ kurom ha sei ɛka sɛ nsuo a ɛwɔ kurom ha nom sei tumi biara ni mu nananom edumre ɛsɛ sɛ mo kyerɛ sɛ tumi deɛ ebi wɔ mu mu ɛsɛ sɛ me kusi bra ko bi nananom mepɛ sɛ nokorɛ da adi wɔ saa asɛm wɔ ni sɛ asɛm a ɔka to me so no sɛ yɛ nokorɛ sɛ meyɛ galamsey na nananom ɛsa aka sisu biem sɛ meyɛ galamsey megyegye galamsey fo sika meboa ɛma nsuo ɛwɔ kurom asɛe a nanamu ne ndi na mmom no sɛ asɛm a ɔno nso woka no sɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ ɛyɛ bosire kan na ɔpɛ sɛ ogu m'anim ase ɔsɛe me na ogu me ho fi ɛma me ho batan a nananom moma n'anim ngu ase moma ne ho nadi nananom efiri sɛ meyɛ abɔfra ɛna me nana tiam bɛɛ dɛn na ɔde me ba nsuo mu ha ɛbɛsom mo me a megyina ha no mu sɛ yi me maame yɛ kristo mu ɛnti me wɔ kristo mu ɛso megye nananom so tumi ɛno nti na me nkwala berɛ mu nyinaa no me nana tiam bɛɛ dɛn de me som mo nti asɛm a asi no mepɛ mu nokorɛ moma nokorɛ nnadi nana no mama no kura na di na ye huri oka no kura ene de ogu obi mu nana no pay me ba ya mama ne sapan ikura mi dwan a etua bia se monye na esua fia ene fia da yi one nana nom eno ne ye de mamo na ye wie nso a mudadi ya na mudadi wie nso a asede e wachiri no ye de bebre mo nananom medamo ase
kasa opia oye ni na nanom ne adwuma mane adwuma amane ntomfa ho kura
instead of koda asem no be court because ko twan damage ye wa ha abara amra cha ko be ka say the member of parliament for Ahafo South East constituency honorable Yakub Mohammed etu galamsey no ye hu de si ye ko be ka say hey me do be court me twa o damage me si u e ma amra cha ko be pa achew e di say MC kirem say MP ni se wa MP ni e ka no e ya tro onfa ne court enko si u no but we dey on command nanom e de snap no wo dwan nyina ko nsuo ho e ko twa ikanti brunua ana say enam so ma MP ni so be ka say hey edua na wabɔ ndɛ me kɔ asɔle enya adwuma na adan na ogidi sense ma make an entro on farm enko court.
We all know that ever since I started alleging that the MCE has been facilitating Galamsey operations in Akyem Oda, it's been close to about 1 year. And the lack of responses from government is what has made me to continuously call the attention of other CSOs and you, the media, to investigate the issues. I don't know why this time around he's decided to go to the courts. The courts are there. I thought he has to go to the courts because he feels I'm maligning him. So if he decides not to go to the courts, but will go to the courts, I have my evidence. I did not make the allegations out of vacuum. I have shown some of you some of the allegations. I have petitioned the government, I have petitioned the ministers involved. There hasn't been any action. And if it's the same Galamsey crime or somebody facilitating illegal mining, that sent one to me to 20 years imprisonment. I am saying now that government is covering his own. If government is covering its own, and the MCE has decided to go to the gods. Let the gods judge. But for me, I'm a Christian. I will want to end up this submission with Proverbs 26:2. There's a scripture there. Any other person who reads it will know where I stand. And so for people who are so concerned about the viral video that is calling on the gods to judge us, I don't think in our constitution we give place to the gods in our judgment. So for him, who represents the government, who represents the president, if this is the way to go, let it be.
Man, same way no. Now say nipa ni be ya side with the MP because Ghana no yeah the court system and running on mine no. Who believe I bet my koyande no enyina and the nana no masem but Ghana had the design yeti court. So see obi and some ye can go so a court and I call no ko see nipa kro. No one say na nipa na etwa tro and I say why the air can okre. It just say amanfo ni bi ya ne MP aya adwen say ade na honorable no wan fa na anko court na all brunia. But honorable so abetrim MC na ba betrim. The entire or prefer say or there 7 ebe na nanom to say or be court no we any semu a entirimu mo no okaye.
Enti sorry money nyina emma papa no nye comfortable. But it shouldn't be say onye comfortable with enyoma ameya. Why should it be say asema enye no kwe na okwa fa beto me because for me mama almost 80 years. Anytime we are now frame hey and a MP or so Galamsey and also we say metisara na me pressure the psychological trauma de me sabi mebusu for common you have no idea of it. And I believe strongly say and I'm on metuno enipa bebre ho no ma omo frame sisters omo frame ebi no omo su yenim se sa na wote na ade ntina wo kwakọ yes ade we. I believe strongly say it was a Sunday a very strong signal man say the fact to say sebi previous on pema sema na say you are not comfortable with my appointment and say and sema enimu no koka ebegu meso because Galamsey dey omo ye Galamsey no me form say omo your mambofo omo ye ebo man as I say brem nso ye wo no first no wo de kwan etu mu kura wo hu ugina soro wo hu by na hwedi nso ya ye na wo ba be link me with ade tantan we sebi previous and aka say me say me ye Galamsey campaign me mini minor concession bia we municipality mu hanu say ya na e wo say me nso mitimi time biti na wi ase amanse nyina hu say saa nsem na omo ka no enye no kore
honorable Kafra nka question bebusa wa akra na wodi kan de ahyemu ntino how these allegations affect social life or any normal family no but I think say wodi kan ayi no eti before you go no e dey na wodi je kwan honorable what asemi so akwa wa koye sa de kura no senka obeba na so na obefrɛ wanya ne ko bi se bi a nya abotra na bi a okan kwa
no obempo so ono ankasa mpo no or see ensure na I will come say no because of Galamsey to be any omumu. Na abosumini in a journey. Yes, he said it on Asase radio. Yes, on my post to social media. And you know, it's up to Nananom to tell him say omo to me and I say omuni to me. I believe strongly say Nananom to me because I ensure na me koye sa amani any woman. If we mean kwala bremu na na me nana mo no mo de me call koya amane ensua se be ye busua na ye mu amane ne sa no manoma enipa bi timi free 30 man hefa eba e de busa de be tu so nanim na omo timi ba beda ho ase nyina ndi se nananom ebetena honom na se omo angasa omo nana ye gu nanim ase ne de nanim atwitwi fom de a na eto gi nananom ara the issue ni se MP ne pese o mampani eyi mi free honom for obvious reasons ebra if you say ebra ebo mi din MP ni nye comfortable da.
I see.
Because that na wo MP wo nye NDC ni. Utimi ka se obi akọ contest mienu. Like nipa na parliamentary candidate for NDC for 2 terms. Akinti na yamfa MC ya mano na ye de MC ya abreme.
Ono na kasa na te se ususu senko ono no one candidate bi osusu senko deserve more than you.
And only one of the problems. And they do baby omo ankasa nanse omo constituency elections MPP for omo ye team A any team B. And MP na ankasa tisi mu so ye campaign amani team. omo campaign message ya no mo de ko ne say omo chairman o te so no mo pese omo tu no me de galamsey sika na sponsor sa ankofo no omo koto abani wi omo yes a campaign nyina ne nkofo du ba ko do mo ko election nipa me nsa pe na ewi ni ye enti no allegations are MP ni yetia me wa hanu me se no bi o kro mu abia ni me say sebe mpredua san ebosire mu ka but asem no waka enti no wan hwe ye na so wan yi hu anu a wan hwe ni nipa bia ka say asem na wo ka na ye den eye no kre enkofo bebre anasa ono MP ni say okay ade enti na asem ni si ni me mfa nko court de enka me wo ho option say me de be court nanso no nansan a yejeli chema untumi so mo MPP for the say a political persecution nansan a erase dinam tamakulu appeal court e akwete no you say I am anyo 17 ya akwete no enti no mumu in one breath mum believe in the verdict of the judiciary na me say okay me so me wo court foforo bi a me simi masama akodan omo a then you say adentin na me mfa nko court me court a me nim say metimi anya sabe attempt ne ntem no na me masama akodan omo no
eba ye no honorable no per aside or no nsem wa keke kan woni no personal issue bi pen na politician ni say obi wo NDC obi MPP bad ya na behind the scene mo ye fine pa wono in particular no woni no personal issue before appointment na after appointment no
say obempon no kwen say before na yeah appointing me as an MC na MP ni me kama pa
okay
obehu se mi gina baby kwa na so de ne ka atwam a ogina eruli ne glass eni mi di nkomo ansa na obekọ awaye den
wako
and before my appointment na me ni very very cool ba no kro mi ni say ono wa na anwen ho da say metimi aba benya sa position we and agree me da etale e wo nkofo bi zu tiri mu say omampeni di mama be MCE die ebi at 2028 me ba be contest obi enu nti na ne yen cancel no omampeni nyini mfiri ho no mo say de be at 2028 ne kra ento no but me focus
ona bo chirem so ona on person odi MP ni be court no court MP for be ka che ona court a ahwa MP for ka say an oye MP pini nti ana mo try say mo be bully no a whole lot of stuff enu nti na one for asem na nko court no ode ama na lan akoka nche akọ twadwan ko gu snap nyina ama asuo baako awo say we abia asem sebe MC no abechirem. What is your view? What is your take on this issue? Obet machere wa adwene e dia mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media. Accra.